In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access your leads and reply to them or contact them. So we're going to be starting from the dashboard of the Wedding Experts. If you need to know how to access the dashboard, then you can catch the other tutorial that is accessing the dashboard. From here, we're going to scroll down, and you're going to see right here in your activity report that it says that there is one lead, and you can click the button that says See All Leads. When you do, it scrolls on down the page. And this is a test that I did, and here's the message, and I just put wedding details on this date. So you can click the reply button, and it's automatically going to send the email to the person who sent it to you. So you don't have to go out to a separate email system. You can do it right inside the Wedding Experts. And we're just going to type a quick message. And then when you're done, you can hit the submit button. And it shows you that this lead has been successfully contacted.